toasties. The car. It's 35 degrees outside. I think we need the AC on. Don't you, dear?
Oh yes, definitely. I'm sweating.
We're on the Sold Andaluzia. Katie's took them into the breadsticks and absolutely gorgeous alioli. That must be handmade. That is lovely. We're in Sold Andaluzia. Went up to her later, but everything was shut. Oh, you're stuffed. Look at that. Look, it's even covering her stomach.
I thought I was going to get a tiny bit of tortilla, like this big, like you normally get from the tapas.
Yeah,
and
what did they bring you?
A whole tortilla.
A whole plate of tortilla. Oh, it's quieting down now. I better go so they can lock up. Yeah, Katie. You're stuffing your face.
Just finishing off. I'm going to eat my crisps.
Oh, you're shocking.
In Corfu, the Civil Aviation Authority was on hand, but the news wasn't good. Back in the UK, at Thomas Cook shops, staff themselves coping with devastating news.
And guess who booked with Thomas Cook? We did. This morning at 8 o'clock we booked another flight, Gatwick, with British Airways. Checked a couple of hours later, then that flight was fully booked. So people have done the same, we jumped in quick. Get a train from Gatwick all the way up to Birmingham, which will take another 4 hours. So, yes, so Katie's got a lovely travel day on her birthday, haven't you, dear?
So we'll have to celebrate.
So we'll be spending about 11 hours travelling tomorrow.
Total shock. They lost the jobs they love through no fault of their own. But their roles weren't redundant at the airport this morning.
Oh,
They're still turning up for work today.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Wearing their Thomas Cook uniforms, ready to help passengers get home.
Message her on Facebook, so we'll just see her on the telly. There's your sunset.